Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all fine and safe. So students, this is your science class, and as you know, in our previous video I explained you different parts of the plant by showing a original plant and the different type of the plants, different kind of the plants in a garden. Okay, so now students, you know each and everything about the plants. Okay, so once we will revise it and then I will show you your worksheet, what you will do in your worksheet. So first of all, here you can see what is this. Yes, you can tell me what is this. Yes, you are right, this is plant. Okay, so this is the plant. Now you one by one you will tell me the different different parts of this plant. Okay, so first we start with here. What is this, students? Which part of plant is this? Yes, this is root. First part is root. R-O-O-T. Root. First part is root. Okay. Then which part is this? These all are. Which part is this? Yes. Good. These are leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Very good. And which part is this? Which part? Sorry. Which part of plant is this? This is? Yes, this is bud. So, this is bud. B-U-D. Bud. And which part is this? This round thing is, what is this? This is? We all eat this part of the plant. Yes, this is fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. This is fruit. Now students, the most beautiful part of this plant, the most beautiful part of any plant is, what is this? Yes, this is flower. This is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. So now students, and the most important part that we missed, and this is what this called. This middle part, what this called? Yes, this is known as, very good, this is known as stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Okay, now you come to know how many parts of a plant is. First root, then stem, this middle part is called stem, then its leaf, fruit, bud, and the most beautiful part of the plant is flower. Okay, now you come to know the different part of the plants. Yes, good. Now students, now this is all about the plants. So now you know that what you know about the roots. Now I will explain you what the work of these plants, function of these plants. Okay, so like root, what is root? The root grow under the soil. The root grow under the soil. As this is the soil, and it grows under the soil, and the roots hold the plant in the soil. The roots hold the plant in the soil, right? So this is the function of root. Then students, stem. So stem has branches, leaves, fruits and buds. Okay, all these leaves, buds, fruits and flowers includes in this stem. Okay, so some plants have this stem, strong stem, and some plants have this weak stem. Okay, the small plant has weak stem and the big plant has this strong stem. Okay, so next is leaf. Leaf is all leaves mostly found in green color. All leaves are in mostly in green color. They are different shapes and sizes. Okay, as you know that these leaves have different shapes and sizes. Some leaves, this is one type of leaf, and as you know that banana leaf is should like this. Banana leaf is like this. This is the banana leaf. Okay, and some leaves like this. Some leaves are like this. Okay, and some leaves are like this. These are the mango leaves. Okay, so leaves are of different sizes and shapes, right? So next is next part is flower. So first is bird. This bird grows into flower. Okay, so next part is bird, and this bird is grows into flower. मीन्स जो ये बर्ड है जब ये पूरी खिलती है, ओके, खुलती है, सो इट ग्रोज इनटू फ्लावर. ठीक है, सो दीज टू पार्ट्स आर कनेक्टेड विद ईच अदर. ठीक है, ये जो दो फ्लावर है, ये जो दो पार्ट हैं इस प्लांट के, बर्ड एंड फ्लावर, दे आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर. फर्स्ट बर्ड विल कम. ठीक है, सबसे पहले पौधे में क्या आती है? बर्ड आती है. आफ्टर दैट इट ग्रोज इनटू फ्लावर. ठीक है, उसके बाद जो है ये फूल बनता है. ओके, सो एज यू नो दैट फ्लावर्स आर ऑल्सो इन डिफरेंट शेप, साइजेस एंड कलर्स. ओके, दे यूजुअली हैव नाइस स्मेल. फ्लावर्स में जो है ज्यादातर अच्छी खुशबू होती है. ओके, सो देन इज फ्रूट. This fruit turns into this flower turns into fruit. ठीक है, जब भी किसी पौधे में फूल आता है तो उसके बाद उस फूल से क्या बन जाता है? फ्रूट बन जाता है. ओके, सो दिस फ्लावर टर्न्स इनटू फ्रूट, एंड एवरी फ्रूट, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी फ्रूट्स हैव सीड्स इनसाइड. ठीक है, जो सारे भी फ्रूट्स होते हैं, ज्यादातर सब फ्रूट्स में जो है अंदर क्या होते हैं? सीड्स होते हैं. सीड्स हेल्प्स टू ग्रो अनदर प्लांट्स. ठीक है, जो सीड्स होते हैं उनसे क्या हेल्प मिलती है? एक दूसरा प्लांट को ग्रो करने में, राइट? सो सीड्स लाइक इफ यू see mango, there is a big seed inside the mango, and if you see orange, there are lots of small seeds inside the orange, and if you see the papaya, there are lots of seeds inside the papaya also, in tomato also. Okay, and in lychee, in cherry, every fruit, almost every fruit have seed inside. Okay, so this is all about the flowers, and this is all about the plants and about their parts and what are the functions of these parts. Okay, so now student, I will explain you different type of plants. ठीक है, कि plants जो है वो कितनी तरह के होते हैं, right? So let's see. Now I am going to rub it. First kind of plant is this tree. First type of plant is this tree. Okay, this is the big and strong. This tree is big and ऑलमोस्ट बिग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. जो ये ट्रीज होते हैं ये बहुत बड़े होते हैं और स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, राइट? सो दीज कॉल्ड ट्रीज. द मेन स्टैम्प ऑफ द ट्री, द मेन स्टैम्प, दिस इज द मेन स्टैम्प ऑफ द ट्री. इट इज कॉल्ड ट्रंक. ठीक है, जो ट्रीज की ये स्टैम्प होती है इसे हम ट्रंक बोलते हैं. TRUNK. इट इज कॉल्ड ट्रंक. ओके, सो ट्रंक यूजुअली हैज मैनी ब्रांचेस. सो जो ये ट्रंक होती है इसी से हमारे जो ये ट्री होता है इसकी डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस बन जाती है, राइट? सो द ट्रंक हैव मैनी ब्रांचेस. ओके, देन द आउटर पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री, ओके, द आउटर पार्ट और आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ द ट्रंक एज यू सी, जब आप ट्री को देखते हो उसके ऊपर से अगर आप उसको इस तरह से थोड़ा सा वो करोगे, हल्का सा निकालोगे तो उसके ऊपर से एक लेयर निकलती है, ठीक है, आउटर कवरिंग निकलती है. सो उस कवरिंग को हम बोलते हैं बार्क. क्या बोलते हैं? बार्क. सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज द आउटर कवरिंग एंड यू कैन से इट bark, right? Okay, so now you clear what are the trees. Trees are the big and strong plants. Trees are the big and strong plants. The main stem of the tree is called trunk. The main stem of the tree is called trunk. जो ट्री का नीचे का बहुत मोटा सा थिक सा पार्ट होता है उसे हम ट्रंक बोलते हैं. स्टेम भी बोलते हैं बट ट्रीज के पार्ट को हम ट्रंक बोलते हैं. ओके, और जो आउटर लेयर होती है ट्रीज के बाहर जो कवर होता है एक, उसे हम बोलते हैं बार्क. ओके, सो इट इज क्लियर फॉर यू. ट्रीज, fruits and flowers of some trees. The children were you can see many fruits and flowers on these trees like mango tree and like champa flower. Okay, they all are grow in big trees and evergreen trees, right? So next is next part of the plant is shrubs. Next part of the plant is shrubs. So shrubs like this. Shrubs are like this. They have lots of woody stems. Shrubs have lots of woody stems near very closer to each other like this. Okay, shrubs have very woody stems. Shrubs have also woody stems and they have closer to each other. It means कि जो श्रब्स होती हैं उनकी भी जो है वुडी स्टैम्प होती है, मतलब हार्ड स्टैम्प होती है लकड़ी की तरह, बट दे ऑल आर क्लोजर टू ईच अदर, मतलब वो एक दूसरे से बहुत पास पास में होती हैं. दे आर क्लोजर टू ईच अदर एंड शॉर्ट एंड बुशी. ठीक है, ये जो है शॉर्ट होती हैं और बुशी मतलब झाड़ियों में होती हैं, राइट? सो दे आर स्मॉलर देन ट्रीज. एज यू कैन सी द रोज फ्लावर and rose plant and hibiscus plant and sunflower plant, these all are the example of the shrubs. Okay, so now what you learn about shrubs, that shrubs are short and bushy plants and their stems are closer to each other and they have a woody stem. Okay, but they are not tall like a tree. They are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay, so next is, these are the shrubs. These are the shrubs. Okay, now clear to you what are the shrubs? Now next is herbs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. So students, herbs are very small plants and have soft and green stems. Okay, like this is these are the mint plant. Okay, this is the mint plant. As you can see, this stamp is very weak and green in color. The mint plant stamp is green in color and very soft and very thin. ठीक है, जो इन स्मॉल प्लांट्स की हर्ब्स की जो स्टैम्प होती है वो ग्रीन कलर की होती है और बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है एंड दे आर वेरी स्मॉल प्लांट्स. और ये जो होते हैं, आपने मिंट को देखा, पुदीने को देखा है ना कि कितना छोटा होता है, ऐसे बस इतनी हाइट होती है. ठीक है, इससे ज्यादा हाइट नहीं होती है. सो द हर्ब्स आर वेरी स्मॉल प्लांट, they are smaller than shrubs and the herbs have soft thin stem and the stem is in green colors. Okay, so these are called herbs. And the coriander, tulsi, spinach means palak, and mint, these are the example of herbs. Okay, so next is climbers. Next is climbers. 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 So climbers are the plants that stand like this, that climb like this with the help of some wood, some wall or some tree. Okay, climbers are this type of plants. They have very weak stem. Okay, the climbers have very weak stem and they need support to climb. Right, as you can see, here is a pole and this climber climb with the support of this pole. Okay, so आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहा होगा कि एक खंबा, ये एक डंडा या खंबा, कुछ भी आप समझ सकते हैं. ओके, और ये जो क्लाइंबर है, ये जो बेल है, ये देखिए इसके सहारे ऊपर चढ़ रही है. ठीक है, सो क्लाइंबर है वेरी वीक स्टैम्प्स. एज यू कैन सी हियर, जो ये क्लाइंबर है इसकी स्टैम्प बहुत वीक है और इसको ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए, क्लाइंब करने के लिए दे नीड सपोर्ट टू क्लाइंब. ओके, क्लाइंबर्स नीड सपोर्ट to climb up or stand up. Right, so the examples of the climbers are bougainvillea, grapevine, money plant or grapevine. These are the examples of climbers. Okay, so now next is creepers. 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 Okay, creepers grow along the ground. Like this is the ground. Okay, and this is the ground and these are the creepers. Right, so they grow along the ground like this. They grow along the ground. जो क्रीपर्स होते हैं वो इस तरह से बिल्कुल ग्राउंड के साथ साथ ही चलते हैं. राइट, these grow with the ground, along with the ground. Okay, so these are the example of creepers. Creepers grow along with the ground. मतलब creepers they creep along with the ground. They creep along with the ground means कि ये रेंगते हैं जमीन के साथ साथ. Why? Because their fruits are very heavy and their stems are so weak, so they are not able to bear the weight of their fruits. ठीक है, मतलब उनकी स्टैम्प इतनी वीक होती है और उनके फ्रूट्स इतने हैवी होते हैं कि वो उनका भार नहीं उठा सकती हैं. लाइक राइट, सो दैट दे क्रीप विद द ग्राउंड, क्रीप अलॉन्ग विद द ग्राउंड. तो वो ग्राउंड के साथ साथ बिल्कुल जमीन पर ही चलती हैं. राइट, सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दीज क्रीपर्स आर लाइक watermelon plant, pumpkin plant, cucumber plant and other lots of creepers are there. These are three main examples of the creepers. Okay. So next are water plants. Last is water plant. Water plant. Now everyone know which plant is this? Yes. Which plant is this? Yes, this is lotus, and lotus grows and float in water. Okay, so lotus plant is grow in water, and one more plant is there, that is water lily. Water lily is also grow in the water. Okay, and lotus have many different colors, like it comes in pink, white, or yellow also. Okay, so these are the water plants, right students? So this is all about the plants. Now how many kinds of the plants? Kinds of plants are, now kinds of plants means कितने तरह के plants हैं. So first one is tree. Trees big and strong and have thick stem. Number 2 is shrubs. Shrubs have woody stem, but they are closer to each other. Third one is herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They have weak stem in green color. Okay. Fourth one is climbers. Climbers have also very weak stem, and they need support to stand up or climb up. Okay. Number 5 is creepers. Creepers creep along with the ground. Okay. These are the creepers have also very weak stem, and their fruit is heavy. That's why they creep along the ground. Okay. And number 6 is water plants. WATER, water plants. PLANTS, water plants. So these are the plants that grows in water, that are called water plants. Okay. So these are the 6 type of plants. Okay. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, and water plants. Right students? So this is all about this chapter. Now time to show you your worksheet, and question answers are there. Okay. So let me arrange my camera first, then we'll start the class. Okay. So let's wait. So students, this is your worksheet of science for today. Okay, and this is your last worksheet. In this worksheet I am giving you 2 big questions, and other are the small short questions. Okay, so these are the long questions. 2 are the long question that are the main question of this chapter. First is write any 5 parts of the plant. Okay, so you have to write the parts of the plant. First is stem, flower, root, leaf, and fruit are 5 parts of the plant. Okay, then what are the 5 different kind of plants? 5 different kind of plants, like I explain you, 5 different kind of plants are trees, herbs, creepers, shrubs, and climbers. Okay, there are 6 type of plants. One is water plant also, but here I am asking you only about 5 plants. So you will 5 kind of plants. So you will write trees, herbs, creepers, shrubs, and climbers. Okay, so next is, now here are some short questions. So first question is, what is a tree? So answer is, you will give answer in one line. Very big and strong plants are called trees. Very big and strong plants are called trees. Then what is a shrub? Small woody stumps are called shrubs. Small woody stumps are called shrubs. Number 3 is what is a herb? Very small plant with soft green stem are called herbs. Very small plant with soft green stem are called herbs. Number 4 is what is a climber? Weak stemmed plant that need support to stand and climb up. Weak stemmed plant that need support to stand and climb up. Okay, so next question is why do creepers creep along the ground? It means जो creeper plants हैं वो बिल्कुल ground के साथ क्यों चलते हैं? So why do creepers creep along the ground? Creepers creep along the ground because their stems are very weak. Creepers creep means ringna along the ground because their stems are very weak. Okay students, so these are your short questions. Now question number 6. Here you have to write two names of different type of plants. Okay, so like first name of any two plants, right? So name any two herbs. First is mint, M-I-N-T, mint, and tulsi, T-U-L-S-I, tulsi. Okay, then name two shrubs, rose and other is sunflower. Okay, then name two creepers that creep along the ground. So watermelon and pumpkin, or you can pumpkin. Sorry, you can write cucumber plant also, pumpkin. You can write cucumber plant also. Then name two climbers. Two climbers are money plant, M-O-N-E-Y, money plant, and grapevine, right? Name two water plants, lotus and lily.